Grassroots fam, it's your boy Jason. We hopping back in with another vid. We are heading down to Piedmont Dragway, but not for more drag racing, but for a drift event. So hope you guys are doing awesome, doing great. Me and wifey will be down here before you know it. So woo! Look at that boy, that lip kissing the grass. Okay, she loved. But look, we got the part next to a Supra. You couldn't tell. We're here, so let's go check out the drifting. Alright, we'll take a quick look at the paddock before we check out the drift action. Yeah, it's a pretty clean S13. Sitting on the Blitz 03 reps from Kansei. I don't know what they're called. I guess they're not reps, they're inspired by, since the Blitz 03 is no longer made. Can't call it a rep. Hell yeah, dude, I'm ready to see this thing go slinging around. We got the Anime 350Z. What do you guys think about the anime style that they be doing nowadays? Got another S13. Another Anime 350Z. Tell me down below what y'all think about the anime thing. It's becoming mighty popular. IS300. Ooh, there's a clean 350Z. Some Kansei tandems on the back maybe? Like some old Kansei tandems. Heck yeah. A BBWRX at a drift event? What? That's crazy. Okay, this thing makes 420 wheel, fender exit. Upgraded intercooler, downpipe, and intake. 420 wheel, baby, on the new FA. That's super dope. Some new stage wheels, just dropped last week. Got them early, so that's what's up. And he's got a dyno sheet for anybody who wants to talk shit. There you go. Oh.
411, 407.
There we go.
Smooth, too.
Yes, I bet that is very fun. You almost got it. Okay, we got the Ford Ranger. What are they eating? That would be me. Spinning out like a mofo. That SC400, boy, that thing's eating that V8. Peep the Miata with the Gallo 24 license plate. Total Too Fast, Too Furious reference. Sweet. Boy, here's that Ford Ranger that was eating. Look at the hood exit. Savage. we parked it on the tires. Woo! Okay, me out of paid it, finally paid attention. Back in the car where it's nice and cool because it's 96 degrees outside today. It was 102 yesterday. It's been a hell of a hot weekend, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit different as we went and seen the local Grassroots drift scene in my area. I hope you enjoyed. I had a blast. The wife had a good time. So if you did, smash that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, guys. Help us out with that algorithm. Until next time, peace.